Latrell Mitchell will crack the champagne to christen this brand new ground, and he sends the kick high and deep, and back comes a rampaging Matt Lodge, and we're underway. The christening of this ground. Crichton! He's over for the first try at the new Allianz Stadium. Write yourself in the record books, Angus. And a kick by Ilias. But again, it's taken by the Roosters in handy field position. Down to Brad.
Yeah, just before watching the South Sydney side, it's Teddy!
Tedesco up through the middle. Tedesco exploding away, and he slipped over as he got to Mitchell. Short. Oh, another one hasn't gone 10. Seen a few of them recently. Keary into the line, great ball. Crichton into the backfield. Crichton trying to race away. Tedesco! The skipper's on the board. That's beautiful. The Roosters are skidding the Rabbits here at the southern end of this new ground. Ilias got it away out the back, and then Mitchell with a pass from Mill, who cuts back in. They've got 6 more. Polar, Mitchell. Oh, the trial's going to kick through, and there's a race for the ball. Marmazelis is claiming it for Souths. How's that for belief? Mitchell with a set restart, kicks it through anyway, and the Bunnies are ripping into the Roosters fans. Centre field, Merrills for Walker, a kick, and he's brilliant, this kid. That is right out of the box. He saw that in slow motion, Sam Walker. Brilliant from the number 7 from the Roosters. Keary and a rampaging Egan Butcher slams it down. He beat Latrell and he scores another one. What can Ilias muster? Sends it out the back to Walker. Great ball. They're going to score in the corner. There's the first one. Good put down as well in traffic. That's a cracking put down.
Harvey Norman replay, run the ball in the last play, and then Cody gets the ball over the top. And have a look at that finish.
Oh.
It's as good as it gets.
Walker away for Tash now, the in and away. Momirovski with another good tackle. Manu's done something to his leg. Manu might be gone here.
That's deliberate.
Oh, he's in the bin. And the Rooster fans are loving it. Keary, Sam Walker, Tedesco juggles, knocks on. Walker picks it up. Walker sprints upfield. Look at the Roosters chasing after him. 5, 6 of them there. He did well to get that far up the field, Cody Walker. Tash sends it to Arrow, then to Nicarima, then to Polar, Jackson Polar. He's got Naguama there around the corner. Another try to Souths. Down to 12, but they've jagged another try. The gap's back to 10. Here's a chance, Johnston. He's barely seen the ball. He's off down the left wing, and he can't beat the last line. And do you know who? James Tedesco. Less than 3 to go. Penalty. This might be 10 in the bin. Yes! We're down to 12 on 12. Roosters 26, Rabbitohs 16 to finish off the seasons proper of these respective clubs. But as you can see, Roosters finishing in 6th on the table and the Rabbitohs in 7th.